Hey little artist! Ready to draw something super colorful and fun? Today, we're drawing a rainbow flower, perfect for brightening up your day. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a small circle right in the middle of your paper. This will be the center of our flower. Now, we're going to draw 7 petals all around the circle. Make them nice and round like little balloons. Awesome job! Let's draw a long stem coming down from the flower. Now on each side of the stem, draw a leaf. That's 2 beautiful leaves. Nice job, everyone! Our flower is ready. But wait! Let's go over the lines again to make the outline bold and sharp. This makes the artwork pop off the page. Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now it's time to color. Let's grab our rainbow colors. Pink color. Wow! Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Wow! So colorful and bright. You did an amazing job. Thanks for drawing with us today. Don't forget to show your rainbow flower to someone you love. Hey little artist! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute rainbow flower. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a big circle in the middle of our paper. This will be the face of our flower. Now, let's add 7 petals all around the circle. Start from the top and go all the way around. Our flower is looking so cute already. Great job! Now, let's draw a stem coming down from the flower. And on both sides, we'll draw 2 leaves to make it look fresh and happy. Now, let's draw a little patch of land under our flower. This will be the soil where our flower is growing. Time to make our flower even cuter. Let's add 2 adorable eyes inside the circle and a big smiling mouth. Aw, so cute! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make our artwork pop. Take your black marker and bolden the outlines to make it look super awesome. Wow! It's looking amazing! Yay! Now, the fun part, let's color our rainbow flower. Grab your color pens, and let's start! Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Rose red color. Pink color. Wow! Our rainbow flower looks so colorful and happy. Amazing job, little artists. Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super cute rainbow flower with a smiling face.
Yay!
First, grab your black marker. Let's start with a big circle in the middle. This will be the face of our flower. Now let's draw 6 petals all around the circle. The petals can be heart-shaped or just round and fluffy, whatever you like. Time to draw the stem. Draw a line going down from the bottom. Great! Now add 2 big leaves, one on each side of the stem. Let's make our flower super happy. Draw 2 big cute eyes inside the circle and add a little smiley mouth. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's go over all the lines again to make the outline bold and sharp, so the artwork really pops off the page. Wow! Look at that amazing flower!
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Get your rainbow color pens ready. Yellow color.
Wow!
Red color. Orange color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. brown color. Well done, little artists. Your flower looks so beautiful and full of joy. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and share your drawing with your friends. See you next time, and remember, every line is a step to something amazing. Bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.